All. Today we'll be talking about demultiplexer. So before starting about demultiplexer, let's quickly through its definition. What is demultiplexer actually is? So it's an electronic device which is just inverse of the multiplexer. That is, in multiplexer we would have 2 power n input, but in the case of demultiplexer, it will be having as 1 input, 2 power n output and n select lines. Let me draw a circuit for multiplexer. So say for multiplexer, this is my 2 power n input lines. Based on 2 power n, so I will be having n select lines and one output. If I show a mirror image to it, then what I will be having it as? I will be having one input, you can see n select lines and 2 power n output. So this is the basic difference between mux and defmux, that is the function is completely reverse of the how we can construct or what is 1 to 2 mux and what does it signify. I will be talking about 1 to 2 demux and say 1 to 4 demux. Say I have input, that is input will always be 1 in this case. Say 1 is my input, and on the basis of select line, say this is my a. If a is 0 or 1, this if it is 0, then the input will be sorted to this. If the select line is 1, then the input will be sorted to 1. Say this is my I is my input, a is 0 and 1. A will have 2, as a is a 1 bit input, so it will have two possible cases. So this is my output y1 and this is my output y2. So say this is y1 and this is y2. If a is set as 0, the input is sorted to I, y2 will be 0, and for if 1 is selected for a, the y2 will be equals to 1 and y1 will be equals to 0. No output can be visible. So this is how we design 1 to 2 demux. What about 1 to 4 demux? Say I have one input, let it be I, and output say if the outputs are 4, 4 output means log 2 base 4. Log 2 base 4 is nothing but 4 is 2 square, so it will be having 2 select lines, that is 2 log 2 base 2. So the result is 2 select lines. Say the select lines are A and B, so the value will be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Say these are my output y1, y2, y3, y4. For the corresponding select lines, if the select line is made as 0 0, my output will be y1 for y out for 0 1, y2 for 1 0, y3 for 1 1. Output is selected as y4. But what is y4 will be equal to this? In y4 is the select line that is been connected to the input. So let me draw its circuit. So I will be having A and B as two of my outputs. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and say 1 1. So what about y1, y2, y3 and y4? For y1, if it is 0 0, it will be I, for the rest of the case it will be 0. For 0 1, y2 will be equals to I. For 1 0, y3 will be equals to I, and for 1 1, y4 will be I. Rest of the cases I will be just writing it as 0. In order to draw its circuit diagram, what I will draw is I have two inputs, say A and B are my inputs. It can A can have two values, so I will use a NOT gate to simplify or get the another value. Similarly, a NOT gate for B. Say this is A is 1, so this is 1, this is 0. Say B is 1, so this will be 1, and the output will be over here, it will be 0. This is 1 0, this is also 1, this is 0, and I is my input. So as I can see, it is if A is 0, I'll just draw a lines over here. Say A is 0, B is 0 and I, so it will be connected to a AND gate and the corresponding output will be y1. If A is 0, again I will draw A as 0, B as 1 and I as another input. So these three inputs will be acting to an AND gate and the output will be y2. Similarly, for y3, what I will be doing is I will be connecting A as 1, B as 0, 0 is over here. I need to just quickly draw this, and this is my third input as I. So if I connect 8, the output will be equals to y3. For similarly as for y4, what I will be drawing is, for y4 a is 1, a is equals to 1, that I will be getting over here, I, and b is also 1. So b1 implies from here again I will insert a wire. So say this is another 3 inputs, and I will connect it with a AND gate to get my result y4. So this is how the circuit diagram looks for the given case of 1 to 4 demarks. So there are my 4 outputs, y1, y2, y3, y4. As I can see, a and b are my 2 select lines and I is my input. Hope this tutorial is clear to you all. Thank you.